600. This is supposed to be 620, but he doesn't have 20 peso paper bill. Hi Aaron, how are you?
Okay lang po.
Very good. Hold on, I'm gonna give you 400 change. Hi there guys and gals, one lovely morning. The sun is so high, just like our dreams. 600. Day 123 of not waiting for a week before I change my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. See that? Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, disappointed, mad, angry, and whatever ill feelings that you will have, okay? Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Okay? Beware and be aware. Earn, 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 save, save, save. Bye for now.